Hey, this is Michael from Simple Setup, and today I'll be showing you how to install the Ghost blogging platform on DigitalOcean. For those of you who don't know what Ghost is, you can check it out at ghost.org. Basically, it's a new blogging platform that started off as a Kickstarter campaign and is now in public beta for everybody to check out. For this tutorial, we assume that you have a DigitalOcean account, and let's get started. First, you want to log into DigitalOcean, then you want to click on Create Droplet. Now you want to enter in your host name. I'll be using simplesetup.me. And then you select a server size. I'll be using the 512 size. Next, you want to choose a server close to you. I'll be using New York 2. And then click on Applications, and you should see one for Ghost. Once you select that, Create Droplet. For the purpose of this video, I'll be speeding up this process so that you don't have to wait. But once your server is set up, you'll see a page like this. And up at the top, you should see a server address that you can use to access your page. So I'll type that into the URL. Once it's loaded, you should see your blog with the new Ghost install. But now we want to set up a user so that we can start writing. So go to your address bar and type in /ghost /signup and hit enter. Now we'll be asked to enter in our full name, email address, and password. For the password, I believe the minimum character is 8 characters long. So once you type in all the credentials, click on Sign Up, and now you should see a dashboard. We want to create a new post, so click on New Post in the top left-hand corner. Give it a title. I'll be writing with Ghost blogging platform. And the cool thing about Ghost is you can write in Markdown like you see here on the left, and it will be rendered in the preview window on the right. I'll put in a short paragraph about how I just installed the Ghost blogging platform on my DigitalOcean account using the one-click app install. And as you can see, as I'm typing in on the left side, the preview window on the right side also updates. It is quite awesome sauce, so I'm going to put that into my blog post. And now I want to publish. Click on the arrow in the bottom right hand corner and publish now. Now I want to see the published blog post, so I'll click on the logo in the top left. And by default, it goes to myghostblog.com because the DNS is not set up. But if you go back and click on content, you can see the blog post is still there. I will go to the base URL, and as you can see, the blog post that I wrote earlier is still there. Clicking on the Ghost link in the top left, again, we'll go to myghostblog.com because the DNS is not set up. So let's go set it up at digitalocean.com. Click on Login. Then click on DNS. Now add domain. I will type in my URL, which is simplesetup.me, then select a droplet and create domain. As you can see, it says zone file, DNS is propagating. DNSs usually take about 24 to 48 hours to kind of figure things out. If you've already set your domain name to point to DigitalOcean's name servers, this should happen automatically. Next, we'll have to change some settings in our actual Ghost setup. So click on Droplets, then click on the domain name. Now select Access and Console Access. And this should give you access to your server via the command line. You'll be asked for your login. By default, it is root, and your password should be the one that was emailed to you when you set up your droplet. So type that in, hit enter, and now we'll be using the text editor Nano to go to /etc/nginx/conf.d/default.conf. Hit enter. And you should see a file now, and we want to change that server name. As you can see, the server name is what we saw earlier at myghostblog.com. We want to change it to your domain name. I'll be using simplesetup.me, and then hit Control X to exit out of Nano, hit yes to save, hit enter, and now we have to change the domain name in one other place. So type in nano/var/www/ghost/config.js and hit enter. And now we'll be going down to a section that says production, which is where our live blog is at. So once you get to production, you'll go to URL, and again change your domain or the domain from myghostblog.com to your own domain. So I'll be using simplesetup.me. Again, hit Control X to exit out. Then save, yes, hit enter. Now I want to see if the website is set up, so I will go to www.simplesetup.me to check if the site is accessible, and no. So let's go back to digitalocean.com, and let's try restarting the server. So click on login, then go to your server. Click on access and console access to get the terminal window to your server again. Once the console window is set up, you want to type in service space ghost space restart, hit enter, and your ghost server should now restart. And I will also do service ghost status to check if the ghost server is running. I'll go to www.simplesetup.me, and my blog now pulls up correctly. I'll click on the post, and the post comes up correctly as well. Clicking on Ghost will now take me to simplesetup.me instead of myghostblog.com like it did earlier. If you have any questions about this tutorial, please join us in our forums at www.simplesetup.co. If you want to set up your own Ghost account on DigitalOcean, please use the link below. Thanks.